National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Coahoma County in northwestern Mississippi, southern Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, Quitman County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Friars Point, or 7 miles southwest of West Helena, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksdale, West Helena, Marks, Lambert, Jonestown, Friars Point, Crenshaw, Sledge, Bellin, Dundee, Darling, Kings, Lakeview, Coahoma, Lyon, Lula, Falcon, Askew, Garrett Mill, and Ledyard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Coahoma, Panola, Quitman and Tunica, and Phillips, Arkansas.